Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to set up an online store to sell merchandise on Squarespace. So let's get started with these steps. The first step is to add an online store pages, and before you do that, you have to access your account's Squarespace account. To do so, just go to your web browser and search for Squarespace and enter the website. After that, log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, click on the drop down menu right here and select account dashboard. Now from here you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Select the website where you want to add the online store page. I'm gonna select this one right here. And once the options appear, select pages right here and add new page by selecting store here. Click on the plus button first and then select store right here. This will automatically create a page where you can list products and set up the shopping experience. The second step is to add your products. Open the store page and click add products. Now I'm waiting for it to appear, but you just do as I say and click add products. After that, choose the type of products, physical, digital or service, and enter details like product name, description, price, and add images. Be sure to upload high quality photos. Now for the third step is to set up payments and shipments. Go to settings, and then commerce to set up payment options through Stripe or PayPal. Set up shipping options and tax settings to ensure smooth transaction. And there you have it. Your store is ready and you're all set to sell merchandise on Squarespace. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.